Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing really well. So if you open your textbooks to page 46, we're going to start the readings for today's lesson. For the two stragglers that came in late, if you could see me after class, we will talk about your tardiness. Oh, wrong video. Just kidding, guys. I don't even know what that was about, but I thought it was funny. Okay, so we're going to talk about Walgreens, some amazing paper deals. I forgot about this earlier in the week, and we're going to talk about how to get this dirt cheap with a booster or with Walgreens cash. We have a little CVS deal right here. Maybe if your birthday is this week, we can do the same deal. We have some Dollar General 90% off, and then some Walmart we're going to talk about. And some of it's frozen food, so it's not here, but I'll throw in some photos. The weather report for you guys, it is freaking cold and miserable, and we got some leaves falling. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Kind of a gloomy sort of one. Okay, so we're gonna look at this deal two different ways. The first one is just to get these Cottonelle. So you're gonna grab two of them. And if you believe what you see on the news about like cargo ships and you know, they have all your Cottonelle in those containers, who really knows what's going on? So grabbing two of these guys at $9.99, that's $19.98 for the two. So we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, that'll come off. So the new total is $14.98. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, you would pay $4.98 out of pocket for the two, which I think is a really like super deal. And like, what are you going to do with your Walgreens cash? Just leave it in there? You got to spend it sometimes. So this is just a smart thing, just to show you how massive those rolls are. They are very large. Now I had a booster which was to spend 25 and get back 7. I met a friend earlier this week and she's like, hey, you want some of these? Because she just didn't have time to go to the store. I was like, yeah, absolutely. So thank you, Karen, if you're watching this. So I grabbed 2 of these. I needed a $25 basket, and then this is a spend booster, so I used my debit card to pay it down. So again, 2 of these for $19.98, and then I got 2 tubes of the toothpaste for $3 each. And when you buy 2 of these, you get $4 back, and I had dollar coupons from the P&G. If you don't have those dollar coupons, I know there's a $1 digital for this and a $1 for the brush, but I used those last week, so this is what I got. So for the 2 paper products and then the 2 pastes, the total for all of that, guys, is $25.98. I got the cashier to scan the 7 back when you spend 25. And then I also gave the $2 coupons for the Crest, and then I had a 5 off of 2 for that. So my new total was $18.98, which I used my debit card because it is a spend offer with that booster. You know, I had to do it that way. And then I got back $7 in Walgreens cash for the booster. And then I got back $4 for Crest. So it made it like $7.98 for the 4 products, or $1.99 for each, which I'm okay with. Remember, because you're using a spend booster, if you might have a similar one like I was showing you in the video, you gotta use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills for the balance. Don't use your Walgreens cash. First deal, if you just wanna use Walgreens cash, no booster, absolutely go for it. Now, I had one of those really goofy $5 on any skincare product in like the cosmetic line. My friend also gave me that one. She's like, hey, do you want this? And I'm like, absolutely. So this little Noxzema at the store was $5.49. Subtracting that $5 coupon, it was 49 cents for this Noxzema. So, I mean, I'm really looking forward to using this. And I was just looking for a product that was exactly $5. Walgreens is a weird store because most of the stuff that's like the cheaper end skincare stuff is either $3.99 or $6.99. So to find this for $5 and some change, that's what it is all about. And the coupon scanned perfectly for that. One once before for cosmetics and I forgot to use it, so I was very delighted to use this one, and yeah, to get that for 49 cents, it's totally what it's about. To answer one quick question, if you wanted to use that $5 coupon in a booster like spend 25 get back 7, you absolutely can't, because you can't use a store coupon with that, because it's like using an IBC. You would actually have to buy $30 of merch to use that coupon. So just use it on its own. It's probably the smartest way to go, because that will, if I used it in a $25 basket, my new total would be 20, not 25. It would bring it down by $5. So just keep that in mind when it says store coupon at the very top of these things that pop out of the Catalina machine. Over at CVS, and I don't ever shop there, but I used to back in the day, and they had my birthday on file, which was last week, and they sent me a $3 coupon on anything in the store. So I got this big thing of paper towel. I just was in and out really quickly. I didn't want to do a deal with extra care bucks because I probably will not be back in the store. Maybe around Thanksgiving I'll do a couple deals, but I'm barely there because they don't have a lot of CVS's where I live. But I was near one earlier this week. This guy is $3.19, which is a lot for paper towel. Subtracting that $3 birthday coupon, I paid 19 cents for this, so I'm okay with that. And we have cats, so we're always in need of paper towels. So yeah, just a little CVS dealio. Okay, so over at Dollar General, this started on Tuesday, and it was a real hit and miss with this, where it's 90% off of summer foods, but it's a very selected list. Super Simple Saver curated a list, so I will show it to you guys at the very end if you want to be on the lookout for some of this stuff. But to get some of this stuff dirt cheap, that's totally what it's about. The first item that we're going to talk about is this Bush's beans, and this guy was 16 cents. Look for it in the regular summer area, and then if they have like one of those wire racks with food, that's where I found this guy. I only found one though. Arizona iced tea, and this is a good amount of tea. I wish it was the unsweetened one, but unfortunately it isn't. I actually found 6 at this one store, but I gave the cashier 3 of them because she wanted them, and I was like, you know, wasn't gonna be Scrooge McDuck with this. These were 30 cents each, and the expiry date for this is April of 2023. Expiry date for this is next December, so not this December, but the December following. So yeah, very happy about this. I have in-laws that really like this sort of tea, so 3 of them for 90 cents. I can absolutely do that. Cholula, it's a salsa verde, so very hot sauce. This was 29 cents. Again, those wire racks where they have the clearance food, be on the lookout there because that's where I found them. Okay, so this is the UPC for the Cholula. Open up your Dollar General app and scan. Another product that I found, and I only found one of these, but I didn't buy it. It's this slush puppy. If you look at the top where your mouth is supposed to go, I think somebody opened it up in the store and loved on it for a little bit. And I think it was 10 cents, but even at that price point, absolutely not. And here's the UPC for this. So as I was saying, Super Simple Saver over on Instagram had a list of all the cheap items, and here are all the UPCs. They are like right beside it. You would just type that into the Dollar General app, and I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to do that because I'm sure some of you have zero idea how to do that. But as you can see, it's a pretty good list of food. So if something really catches your eye and you're like, I absolutely want to look for that, you can look at it through the app before you even walk into the store for this stuff, and it makes it a little easier. You don't have to pay the gas to go to the store, but sometimes the app is never 100% correct either. I've noticed that too lately. So opening up your Dollar General app, if you go to the very bottom, see where it says Home, Deals, you'll hit the one in yellow saying List with the check mark. So you'll hit that one. You have to download the Dollar General app to look this stuff up. And then if you go to the top right-hand side, you're going to see this little, like it looks like a barcode. That's what you're going to press to look stuff up, either to scan UPCs or to punch in the serial numbers of the UPC. So opening it up, see, you could just scan it with that little camera. You would just align it. But at the very top, it says enter barcode number. That's where you punch in the numbers that Super gave us. And boom, here it is. And then you could see the inventory your store has, which store you should go to, and if it's worth a trip or not. Okay guys, so now we have a little money maker over at Walmart. This U by Kotex is $2.97. You would pay that out of pocket and then make a submission to IBOTTA for 50 cents. And then if you buy this at Walmart, you're also going to get a $2 bonus. Plus coupons.com has a $1 rebate for this. So it makes it free plus a 53-cent moneymaker. So fetch rewards, scan your receipt. You might get some extra points for that. So for this, I think I got back like 50 cents. And then also for Cottonelle, I think I got back $1. So if you are not on the fetch train, check out the link in the notes. Sign up for that app. It's absolutely terrific. Kotex, Cottonelle, those brands, you get back extra points with that app. And I didn't even know that. So to get an extra 50 cents, I'm totally about that. Okay, so now we're going to talk really quickly about some clearance. This guy was $3 found in the clearance section. Now it says that the price was $4 and now it's $3. I think that's kind of some baloney, because if you look for this 24 pack at like a Meijer, I think it's about 18 bucks, which is not cheap. Why is it so expensive? I noticed all the price of cat food has jumped, like, they're gonna say inflation is no more than 10%, but I think it's jumped maybe 20%. And it's harder to find this because people are really stockpiling cat food. So I got this guy for $3 and I just paid that because we feed like 12 or 13 cats outside. I've been really trying to get like cheap cat food, so this is a really bargain basement price. Okay guys, and here is the UPC for the cat food. If you want to go to the site brickseek.com, type this in along with your zip code over at Walmart, and maybe you'll find it really inexpensive. $3 is definitely a stock up price for 24 cans because this stuff has just jumped in cost like crazy. And just to show you, over at Meijer, I looked it up in the app, something very similar or comparable, 24 cans for the cats. Almost 18 bucks. So for somebody like me who's feeding, you know, some strays and barn cats, that is very expensive. Okay, so over in frozen food, I found this, and it was a bag of these pre-cooked chicken fillets by Wayne Farms, and it was on clearance for $5. I'm like, oh, I'll get 2, you know, the cats might enjoy this, or I might enjoy it on a salad. But they were ringing up for like $1.94, which is like amazing. And I think the original price was close to $8. Here is the UPC. Look around, gluten-free, vegetable, frozen food. You know, look for those yellow stickers. You might find some really inexpensive stuff. And it was like $4 cheaper when I scanned it. So like it went from $4.95 to $1.49. And then also with the IBOTTA app, this guy is $2.98. And I think IBOTTA is giving back $2.48 for this. If you're living in a bigger city, it's probably $2.48. But I live out in the country, so it was $2.98, but still 48 cents to try a new product by just cracking with the IBOTTA app. Not the worst thing. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!